What's up, guys? We're back at it again with another Freshen Up review, and today we are doing Rising Tide. It is a mango pear flavor, and it is influenced by Nighthawk, right? Yes, Nighthawk. This is what the tub looks like. The smell of it. There's a hint of pear that I'm smelling, and maybe a hint of mango. I don't get a really strong smell off the powder. As far as being mixed with water, I get a good smell off of it. I smell a lot of pear and a hint of mango. So, I don't think I've ever had this combination before. Honestly, I don't think I've ever heard of it. A mango pear drink. So I'm pretty excited to try it. I guess we'll just get right into it, huh? Oh, wow. Ooh. I taste a lot of pear. The mango is on the... For me, it slowly hits you with the mango, but I taste a lot of pear. Oh, that's really good. That's very good. That's a easy 20 out of 10. Oh yeah. I like this combination. This is a really good combination. Wow. Oh yeah. I'm very, very excited I bought this. This is gonna be really this will taste really good with ice. Oh shoot. There's no ice in there right now. It's probably outside in the garage in the deep freezer, but anyways, definitely go check them out. I'm pretty sure it's freshenUphydration.com. I'm gonna keep saying it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll fix it later, and I'll switch up how I say it. But I always have the link in the description below to go get you some Freshen Up. But definitely use code Bisso for 20% off. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.